ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Hello, readers! I am so glad that you are here. I need you to go on a mission today, so make sure you're paying attention and following along. In order to complete your mission, you must read words and sentences that have a specific sound. I will reveal that to you later. As you are following along, you will earn letters to a secret code. Once you have all the letters, your mission will be complete. For today, some tasks you will have to do on your own. So when you see this symbol and hear this sound, that means it's time to press pause and do the task that is asked of you. You will press play when you are done. Let's try it. Ready?
I want you to blink 5 times. Ready? Oh, good. You're back. Did you blink 5 times?
Great! That means you listened and followed the directions. You have earned your first letter to the secret code.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 45, write the letter W. Above the number 26, write the letter H.
All you need today is a pencil, but you can put it down for now. We are going to start with the letters you all know and love. You got it, our ABCs. These sounds are so important to know as fast as you can. Repeat after me. Get ready?
A. Apple, your turn.
A. Apple, your turn.
B. Bat, your turn.
B. Bat, your turn.
C. Cat, your turn.
C. Cat, your turn.
D. Dog, your turn.
D. Dog, your turn.
E. Elephant, your turn.
E. Elephant, your turn.
F. Fish, your turn.
F. Fish, your turn.
G. Grapes, your turn.
G. Grapes, your turn.
H. Hand, your turn.
H. Hand, your turn.
I. Igloo, your turn.
I. Igloo, your turn.
J. Jump, your turn.
J. Jump, your turn.
K. Kite, your turn.
K. Kite, your turn.
L. Lion, your turn.
L. Lion, your turn.
M. Mouse, your turn.
M. Mouse, your turn.
N. Nest, your turn.
N. Nest, your turn.
O. Octopus, your turn.
O. Octopus, your turn.
P. Pig, your turn.
P. Pig, your turn.
Q. Quiet, your turn.
Q. Quiet, your turn.
R. Rainbow, your turn.
R. Rainbow, your turn.
S. Snake, your turn.
S. Snakes, your turn.
T. Tiger, your turn.
T. Tiger, your turn.
U. Umbrella, your turn.
U. Umbrella, your turn.
V. Volcano, your turn.
V. Volcano, your turn.
W. Watermelon, your turn.
W. Watermelon, your turn.
X. Xylophone, your turn.
X. Xylophone, your turn.
Y. Yo-yo, your turn.
Y. Yo, your turn.
Z. Zebra, your turn.
Z. Zebra,
Have you seen this emoji? Her name is Peyton. She is wearing a yellow shirt and has brown hair and brown eyes. She has been spotted in another video. She teaches us the WH can make the sound W. I repeat, WH can make the sound W. Repeat after me. WH can make the sound W. If you see this letter combination, just remain calm. You're usually being asked a question, and just say W. And now back to your regular scheduled programming.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 99, write the letter I. Above the number 12, write the letter S.
Hello, ninja friends. Today we are going to be very, very sneaky. We are going to turn the lights out.
I just want you to concentrate on my voice. I am going to say sounds. When I turn the light on, I want you to blend and say the word. Like a word, attack. Try to say the word before I do and listen to make sure you are correct. Pay careful attention because these words have our focus sound. Ready? Eat. Wheat. When. I'll. While. Whisk. If. Whiff. Whack. Whack. Whistle. Whistle. Eel. Wheel.
All right, team. Now it's really time to get down to business. You are going to read words with our focus sound. If you're working in a team, try to sound out the words in your head so you can give everyone a chance to use their noggin. When you press play, we will read them out loud together. Ready?
Point to the star. The words under the star have WH at the beginning. The last two words have a powerful E that makes the vowel say their names. Read the words under the star, then press play and we will read them together. Press pause now. Let's read the words under the star together. Ready? Whiff. Whisk. While. White. Point to the hexagon. The words under the hexagon are question words. They are a little bit tricky, so that's okay if you don't know them. Just press play and we will read them together. Press pause now. Let's read the words under the hexagon together. Ready? Where? What? When? Why? Point to the triangle. These words are a little bit trickier, and that's okay if you don't know them. Just try your very best and press play when you're done, and we'll read them together. Press pause now. Let's read the words under the triangle together. Ready? Which? Whammy. Whisper. Somewhere. Usually, you see WH at the beginning of words. But if it's a compound word, like somewhere, you might see WH in the middle. Another word like that would be anywhere, for the word where begins with a WH.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 23, write the letter T. Above the number 76, write the letter L.
Let's do a little word review with our word walk. We will read some words that you might see in the sentence later. Try to say the words before I do. If you haven't learned them yet, that's okay. Just put them on your to-do list.
Will. Like. You. A. Y. Is. Do. The words are going to go a little faster this time. Get ready. Is. A. Y. Like. Do. You. Will. Now it's time for the final speed round. Get ready. A. You. Will. Is. Do. Like.
We are out in the wild looking for a rare sound. Oh look, I think I spotted it.
Do you see it? I see the letters WH that make the sound W.
Pick up your pencil and underline the letters that make up our focus sound. Press pause and I'll see you when you're finished.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 5, write the letter E.
I think you are now ready and prepared for the next part of your mission. You are going to read some sentences with our focus sound.
Point to the pyramid. Practice reading the sentence next to the pyramid. Just press play when you feel like you're ready to read the sentence like you're talking. Press pause now. Point to the pyramid. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Why do you like to whistle while you run? Point to the cube. Practice reading the sentence next to the cube. Press play when you're ready. Point to the cube. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Which white wheel is fast? Point to the rectangular prism. Practice reading the sentence and press play when you're done. Point to the rectangular prism. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Whenever you whine, you will not get a snack.
You did amazing on your mission. I hope you were paying attention and got all the letters to the secret code. Check with a teacher or an adult to see if you're correct. If you put the words from all 3 pages together, you will find out the secret message. Well, that's all for today. If you have time, write more words with the focus sound on the back of your paper. Signing off until next time.